पीडीए बाबतीत जनतेमदीं कोणें घुसपागोंदळ निर्माण करचो न्हय. कांदोळेंत योग्य रितीन उदरगत जावपाक पीडीए गरजेची आसा म्हूण उपसभापती मायकल लोबो उलयला. आरडेक्सको खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
जेन्ना लँड यूज मॅप आणि ओडीपी स्टार्ट जालो, स्पेशली द ड्राफ्ट ओडीपी, द फर्स्ट एप्लिकेशन which came was from his side and it is over here. The first application which came to change the zoning was from his side, Shri Agnello Fernandes. Applicant is Agnello Nicholas Fernandes, house number 888, Kamoti Wado, Kandolim, Bangladesh, Goa. He wanted his zoning to be done as C2, that is 150 FAR, but at that particular time we were giving only C2, C3, fully commercial, and we have considered his application. That is on, if you look at this, it is listed as number 1 to request me that it should his thing should be considered. He is saying today that we don't want PDA in Kandoli and Kalangut is totally wrong. It is, you look at the number of structures which we have put on the plan, which are existing today as on ground reality. This requires proper planning. What the area which is remaining requires proper planning, and we have planned, which we have considered each and everything what should be there in Kandolim village. Kandolim village in जे कितें येवपाक जाय फुडें जी लँड उरल्या ती फ्युचर जनरेशनाक यूज करपाक जाय. स्पेशली कोमनीदाद लँड अराउंड more than 7 lakh square meter आमी मार्क केल्ले आहा. Various activities, whether it is educational complex, whether it is football grounds, whether it is sports complex, whether it is sewage treatment plant, entertainment center, कितले 6 places sports complex करतले आमी, indoor stadium बीन, आणि propose multi level car parking कितकेच स्वतेर दाखयला wherever there is government property or Komunidad property. Disaster management site. See what, there is a old jail of Agwada which should be turned into museum. Wherever there are churches, temples, chapels, everything is marked. Water bodies, ponds, everything is marked. So he should not misguide the people of Kandolim. They should come forward, and if anybody's structure is remaining, they should put it on this plan. The existing road, which was shown as 25 meter, which cannot be expanded. 25 मीटराचो रोड जाल्लो तो आमी 15 मीटर केलो आणि 25 मीटर रोड आमी सायडीकसून येला. हिंगासर कांयच मॅनग्रोव ना. मॅनग्रोव जे आहा ते रिवराक टच केल्ले आहा. We have not touched the river. Our proposed road is far away from the river. This is made into 25 meter, which we will acquire. This office will acquire. Illegally शेतां बांधल्या, तिथं स्ट्रक्चर्स बांधल्या, ते काडटा आमी सगळे. आता पहिली कलांगूट 54 structures will be removed. We are taking one more. We are taking now every 10 days meeting over here to do some action on all those paddy fields which are being filled. We are removing everything from those paddy fields. Who are staying inside are रातचे भोंवता पळय ते कितें वस्तू विकपाक, भिकारी, धाकटे कोणे तरी बांदल्या ते 3 पारेती बांदल्या, तेजेर वयर पोतरी घातल्या, 1 door, that's it. No toilet, nothing. 54 structures in Kalangut. We are going to demolish. We have already issued show cause. We have done inspection, and we are giving him personal hearing. All non-goans are staying inside. All. So that land is around 15,000 square meters, which is marked for proposed hospital, that is primary health center for Kalangut village. Komunidad land.
Maybe you got to rethink on that controversial statement of yours, which